Welcome to Revolutionary Ideas. I'm Jim Kunkel, host of the Digital Revolution podcast, and I would like to share an online post from WDIO ABC titled, Apple Gears Up to Launch Vision Pro Headsets. Let's get into this news from WDIO ABC. Apple is ramping up for the launch of their new Vision Pro headset. The Apple Vision Pro headset is expected to be released starting this January. Bloomberg News reports that Apple is currently setting up Vision Pro training sessions for select retail workers during January. Vision Pro is a spatial computer controlled with the user's eyes, hands, and voice. So let me provide my belief on the future of virtual reality for the consumer. Virtual reality, or VR, is a technology that creates an immersive and interactive simulation of different environments, using devices such as headsets, controllers, and sensors. VR has many applications for entertainment, education, health, and business, and it's expected to grow rapidly in the coming years. Here are some of the trends and projections for the future of VR for the consumer. VR will become more accessible and affordable as devices become less expensive, lighter, and more comfortable. VR will offer more diverse and immersive content as the developers create more realistic and engaging experiences, and VR will enable more social and collaborative interactions as users can connect and communicate with others in the virtual world. For example, Meta, formerly Facebook, launched Horizon Workrooms, a VR app that allows remote workers to meet and work together in a virtual office. Artbreeder, an AI image generator, also allows users to create and explore new images by blending and mutating existing ones. VR is a promising and exciting technology that can transform the way we consume and create content. VR can also provide us with new opportunities for entertainment, learning, and connection, as well as challenges for ethics, privacy, and regulation. VR is not a replacement for reality, but a complement that can enhance and expand our experiences. Please give this video a like if you found value on this topic, and also consider subscribing to the Digital Revolution channel if you're not a subscriber. For subscribers, I greatly appreciate your support of the channel content.